you tonight with the current radar. So here it is. You can see we are watching a whole lot of moisture come together throughout the country, and we'll explain all of this in just a second. Let's first go to the current weather watches and warnings that we have for you for the entire state of Connecticut. Now, listen and look at closely because this is very confusing. Winter storm warning is in effect for the red areas shaded, which is in effect for Litchfield, Hartford, and Tolland counties, also northern Fairfield and northern New Haven counties as well. Alright, now listen to the expiration times. Hartford and Tolland expire at 6 a.m. the 19th of January, and then we have Litchfield County expiring at 7 a.m. the 19th of January. Alright, so Litchfield County expires at 7 a.m. the 19th, and then we have Hartford and Tolland County expiring the 19th at 6 a.m. as well. Winter storm warning is in effect also for northern Fairfield, northern New Haven counties until 6 p.m. January 18th. And now you can see in the pink, those are all winter weather advisories. That runs from until 1 p.m. for the entire shoreline area, including southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, Middlesex, New London County, all expiring at 1 p.m. Also, Windham County expiring at 3 p.m. All expiring the 18th of January. I'll get to the snowfall map in just a second, but let me explain this radar a little bit. You can see here's a low pressure system developing in Florida. That is going to combine with this low pressure system to form a huge storm, bringing snow, sleet, freezing rain, and plain old rain. Now, you can see here on the surface analysis, there's the first one, and there is the second one. As those two come up the coast, this one comes east, this one moves northeast, this hugs the coast, this combines with this storm, and that will create a very powerful storm that will really bomb us for Tuesday. School closings and delays will be on WFSB.com. If you have any questions on that, it is on WFSB.com. We will put links out on Twitter all day tomorrow. If we are on Twitter, if we do have school tomorrow, then we will try to update you. We will be putting links to our site, where you can find things on our site, everything like that. That's if I do have school. If we don't have school, instant weather updates throughout the day tomorrow. No 3-hour videos. We're not going to do that. Probably just one video tomorrow at the end of the day. That's about it. Temperatures in the upper teens and lower 20s throughout the state. Very chilly out there. You can see now the entire state is under some sort of winter weather scenario, okay? Another form of temperatures, look at this, 18.5 in Oxford, Meriden 18.8, Hartford 19.6. Basically clear to partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. We will see increasing clouds as we go throughout the day today. Now let me show you the models. Alright, this is the GFS. This is what I'm talking about. Here's the storm, here's another storm that will combine and form a pretty nasty storm. This one moves faster than this one, so then it will combine later in the journey. But it brings a whole lot of snow, freezing rain, and rain to southern New England and New England as a whole. Alright, you can see another storm for Friday if you want to plan ahead. And that's basically about it. Not going to show you the long range because people will be questioning me of what's going to happen and stuff like that. Look at this NAM model. This is 0Z, and if we take you in, this is a huge slice cut into central and eastern Connecticut and eastern Mass of the 0 degree line, which is the freezing line. This is an estimate, okay? So it shows very heavy precip, very heavy snow at that time. Not expecting a whole lot of accumulation-wise. GGEM model bombs us for tonight into tomorrow, and then once again bombs us Friday. Absolutely nails us with incredible amounts of wind and incredible amounts of snow and mix, as is shown on the GGEM model. European now. Basically, the main low pressure system passes over Cape Cod, and that's why we will see the rain snow line so very close to Connecticut. All right, that all moves out, and we're going to be watching a couple of storm systems over the course of the next couple of weeks, one storm at a time now. Alright, let's take a look at the temperatures now. Absolutely brutal. These are daytime high. This is the daytime high, 30. And we go to an overnight low. Alright, this is not really the coldest because the storm is passing through. Alright, here's 60. Look at this. Look at these temperatures. Absolutely brutal. Up, wrong thing. There we go. 20s, absolutely brutal out there. So after we see the storm pass through, we're going to see a very, very big polar trough move through southern New England, and that will create for some very cold temperatures. Here's the snowfall forecast. Now let me remind you, this is before the transition over to all freezing rain and rain. Probably going to say that Litchfield County will get higher because it is under warning, number one. And number two, I think it's going to be a snow ice period for basically the entire storm. Rain coming in very late, around 5 to 7 p.m. tomorrow night, I am expecting. And then a coating to an inch on the shoreline and moving inland in eastern Mass. Interior Rhode Island and southern Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. 2 to 4 inland and near interior areas, especially Massachusetts. National Weather Service has over 10 inches of snow for Berkshire County and northern Massachusetts. I don't think it's going to be that high. I think the 10 inches zone is going to be in western Berkshire County. That's where I'm limiting to. Okay? Sorry if I kept you here long. Really can't see the time on the video, so if I did keep you here long, I'm very sorry. Just a lot of information to get out there today. All right, LitchfieldHills.wordpress.com, awesome website you should check out. List of current events going on in the Litchfield area. Awesome amounts of energy if you live in the Litchfield area. I want to check this website out. It has a whole bunch of information on there that you could check out. Alright, you can visit our website, weatherct.net, for the latest on the storm. Brand new blog post done under the CT weather forecast discussion. Also with some links. Also, go into WX Media Inc., click on CT weather alerts, and you can get the latest weather alerts right there. Thank you for watching, everyone. Also follow us on Twitter for instant weather updates. WX Media. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a really awesome day. Thank you for watching.